I just want to take you and shake you and say there is no fucking transition period. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about the fact that there is no transition period. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. Also, you wouldn't want to miss out on a one-on-one coaching with me, where I take you to your desired reality step by step. What I can say is that my emails are laced with literal magic. If you would like to be spoiled, if you would like the attention to be all on you, if you would like to get your desire as quickly as possible with me in the ringer with you, sign up today at RitaKaminski.com or click the first link in the description box down below. I know you want to. You're also more than welcome to join my members only YouTube program. You'll be getting 4 exclusive videos per month where I offer collective coaching. Feel free to ask me any question that you may have and you will be guided through your situation by me and be supported by a like-minded community within a safe space. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed by becoming a member. We go so much deeper into the law of assumption by learning from specific examples. So if my baddies didn't have a question that week, they still learn life-changing information. It would literally be a no-brainer to invest in yourself and join, so the link will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can literally just click the join button right next to my name. If members only is not available in your country or the link simply does not work, don't worry, I got you. You can click the Patreon link down below and join over there. It is the exact same program. I just want to take you and shake you and say there is no fucking transition period. Okay, now that that's out of the way. There is no birth before land. There is no bridge of events. Why? Because it is either you have this thing or you don't have this thing. It really is just as simple as that. If you have this thing, fly away into the sunset. I don't care. Enjoy your life. You're meant to be doing that anyways. But if not, continue persisting until you can fly away into the sunset with your desire. Y'all really got me combing through my hair and shit because I am just all out of sorts with you guys. You seeing like your SP's name doesn't really mean anything except for I'm going to take that as a sign to keep going, but at the end of the day, it's not your manifestation, so we're going to keep on going. You shouldn't have to be using your signs and your BBLs as encouragement to keep going. Your pure she need and want for the desire should be the reason why you want to keep going, and your belief in the law of assumption should be the reason why you want to keep going. Your excitement for the fact that it is here right now is the reason why you should keep going, because you are the operant power. You can snap your fingers and it can come to you in a second. And if it is not, we are going until it is going to come to us. Why the hell would we stop? Why the hell would we look for signs and BBLs when it's not here yet? The only way that we can have it to be here with us is to keep persisting and to release the resistance, right? So why the fuck should I just keep on doing that and let that inspire me? And the knowledge of knowing that I'm persisting and not wavering and working towards manifesting my desire and being disciplined, be the inspiration, be the BBL, be the sign that shows you that your manifestation is here right now. Oh, you're manifesting your SP to be in a committed relationship with you, but he texts you and you're really happy about that and you stopped your manifesting. Stop it right now. Okay, cool. Be happy about your desire, the fact that, you know, it's showing up in your 3D reality. I'm so happy for you, and really you should be happy, take a moment to be grateful, etc., etc. But don't use that as a crutch, and when that thing doesn't show up, don't just think that your manifestation isn't coming. Celebrate it when it's there, of course, but we're moving on. We're not letting up until the full manifestation is knocking on our doorstep. We're not backing up. We're not showing our cards. We have complete poker faces. We are disciplined and we are at work right now. Get to work, people. One of my points is that a sign or a BBL, bridge of events, should not be a really big factor or a confirmation to show you that your thing is here right now. Your mind and your decision should be doing that by itself. You don't need a crutch. You should have your self-concept up so much where you don't give a fuck about these bridges of events. My other point is exactly that. They don't exist. Either you are in the state of having your SP or you are in the state of not having your SP. If you have specified that you want to be in a committed relationship with your SP, right? That is step number 1 to my 4-step practice of manifesting anything that you want. You've set that, right? Anything that isn't that, a text, bumping into him, your friends mentioning him following you, him asking to go out on a date with you, nothing, let alone just his name popping up while you're driving somewhere, let alone, I don't know, these signs, like let's say your SP is Persian and then, you hear someone say, oh, my boyfriend is Persian. That is not confirmation that your SP is here. The confirmation is when your SP is here with you right now in this 3D reality. If not, we are continuing to manifest. We're keeping it pushing. Again, either you have it or you don't have it. I also want to make it clear that just because you're not letting that text message, for example, affect you doesn't mean you shouldn't reply to the text message. If your subconscious mind is giving you steps to take in order to get the SP or the manifestation, whatever it is, take it. But that should be a no-brainer for you. Taking those actions will be inspired. It will be like, it will feel natural to do that. Like you will get to the point where it will not make sense for you to not take the action. So of course, take the action, but don't let that be a sign or a bridge of events for you to get that thing and then to just stop manifesting. We're stopping manifesting when that thing is here right now, or until you know for sure that he's not going to go away. You have this assumption in your mind forever that you're constantly going to be with him. He's constantly going to be obsessed with you. He's constantly going to show up as an amazing boyfriend, because that's what we want, right? But if he texts you, obviously you're going to text him back. You're going to take the actions to, get to the manifestation, if that means texting him, which is like a nothing sort of action. You know what I mean? However, if you are manifesting 1 million followers on TikTok and you have this urge to film videos, film the videos, but we're not sitting all day checking our notifications to see who commented and who followed and letting that be the deciding factor of whether we're getting 1 million followers or not. So I want to emphasize this and solidify this in your brain. You either have the 1 million followers on TikTok or you don't. You either have this SP or you don't. You are financially free or you're not. Regardless, if we are not, if you do not see the full manifestation right here on your lap, we are manifesting until it comes. That's it. There's no bridge of events. That will be a crutch for you to keep being patient and waiting for your manifestation, which sounds very law of attraction-y, a part of law of attraction that I really, really don't like. Oh, this is just the transition period can be an excuse for why he's not texting you yet or why he's not with you right now, which is another limit. You are limitless. How do you not understand this? You can decide today that he is your boyfriend, and in 10 minutes he can call you asking you out on a date, and by tomorrow you will be in a committed relationship with him. Hell, you can be in a committed relationship with him in just a few moments. He can text you. Anything could happen. Literally anything can happen. So using the transition period as well as a crutch to be like, oh, I'm just waiting, you know, all of these things have to happen before my manifestation can come, is a fucking cop-out. You are more limitless than that. You have so much more potential than waiting on a transition period. So with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.